Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is OTP Authenticated Smart Ration System using QR code and GSM with Raspberry Pi Pico. So here we are using Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 controller board and power supply module 5 volts power supply ESP32 CAM QR code reader module I am using. It will read the QR code and it will send the whatever the QR code data should be sent to Raspberry Pi Pico. And GSM SIM 800L we are getting the OTP alert and 4x3 keypad to enter the quantity and OTP. 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display, whatever the process is going on that should be displayed on the LCD. RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 4x3 keypad telephone pin numbers are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. SPDT relay, one oil pump and L293D driver IC, motor driver IC, one sugar motor and one rice motor and one alarm, red LED and one green LED. If the wrong QR code, it will give you the red LED and alarm on. If OTP wrong, alarm on. Let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using one SIM card, Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance. So you need to recharge this. So bridge rectifier, filter, capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED power supply board. So here we are using Raspberry Pi Pico. This is reset button, 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. So whatever the process is going on that should be displayed on the LCD. SPDT relay coil to switch on and switch off the water pump. One red LED and one green LED, two indicators, alarm, 4x3 keypad, telephone keypad and L293D driver IC, quadrupole HBG driver IC, 2 DC motor, sugar motor and rice motor and one ESP32 camera QR code reader module I am using. Okay. OTP based ration distribution system, QR code and GSM technology. Again I am going to restart this. Distribution system, QR code and GSM. Show your QR code. So I'll show the wrong QR code. Wrong QR code. Okay, alarm on. Okay, now I'm going for the authorized QR code. QR code card 1, sending OTP to the register mobile number. Okay, we will get the OTP is 9846. Enter the OTP 9846. Password correct. Select the quantity of 1 for oil, 2 for sugar, 3 for rice. So now I will go for the sugar quantity. Ration 2. So you will take 1 kg, 1 liter for oil, 1 kg for sugar, 2 liter for oil, 2 kg rice or sugar. So I will go for sugar. If I press extra quantity, it won't allow. Only 1 kg or 2 kg sugar motor. Okay. Sending SMS alert to the register mobile number. We will receive one alert. So you are taking the sugar quantity. SMS problem. Okay. So we will go for card number 2. QR code card 2. Sending OTP to register mobile number. OTP sent to register mobile number. Four, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. Password correct. So 1 for oil, Now I am going to press the button 1. Oil I am taking. Okay, oil pump, quantity 1 liter. Relay on, switch on, switch off, and we will receive the alert here. Show your QR code. Okay, QR code, card 1, sending SMS to the register mobile number. OTP sent to register mobile. So I don't know, we are going for the wrong password. Wrong password, wrong password, wrong password. So if we press 3 times wrong password, something doing wrong password, sending SMS to the QR code, your card is blocked. Okay, if I am going for same card, it will show you your card has been blocked for 24 hours. So card blocked for 24 hours, OTP wrong. So like that we can do GSM module, power supply board, ESP32 camera module, L293D driver IC, rice motor, sugar motor, and 4 class 3 keypad, alarm, motor, oil motor, 16x2 LCD display, Raspberry Pi Pico board. Show your QR code. QR code card 2. So we will check for the rice motor. OTP sent to register mobile number 4 5 6 7. Password correct. Rice motor. If I give anything extra quantity, it will tell you invalid key. Now I will go to check for the rice motor. We will get the alert messages. Okay, QR code to 2 kg rice taken.